Previously on Alan Wake, I wrote a horror story that has come true. Thomas Zane did the same in the 70s.
You will go no further.
If I continue like the Dark Presence wants me to, the story I'm writing won't save Alice. It's a horror story. No one will survive.
You knew Zane! Thomas Zane! You're the Lady of the Light in the song!
He left something behind to help me. The clicker.
Alan thought of this as he stood on the rim of Cauldron Lake, the clicker in his hand. He took a deep breath and jumped.
It sounds really dumb to me, because in British Columbia, we all call the television remote the clicker. So whenever they say it, that's all I'm really thinking about. But whatever. I mean, it's cool. A little contrived, maybe, but pretty cool. Ooh, this is different. Not used to having the sun out when I play. Bet you it won't stay like that.
I had a hangover. My head was about to explode and the light hurt my eyes.
I was so fucked up.
And painkillers to dull the pain.
He looks like
In my
shit.
final moments of self-deception, I swore to quit drinking.
Never again, he says. Okay, yeah. Now we could use some of that coffee we've been picking up. Holy shit.
The sunglasses made the world look bearable. Now I could keep my eyes open without feeling like a vampire in the sun.
He looks like, what's his name from that fucking terrible Heavy Rain. He looks like the agent guy. I don't remember his name right now. I normally know it. Not Ethan, the other guy.
I wasn't sure I'd make it out there without some painkillers.
Ooh, this is a nice bathroom. Let's take some of the pills we find. That'll help.
The pills worked fast.
I want to admire this bathroom.
Started to seem bearable again.
Wait a minute, your medicine cabinet doesn't have a mirror on the front, it just has glass? You're a psycho, man. Okay, dual sinks. I'm liking the... Can I get in? Okay. Okay, and this even looks like more of a real bathroom than a David Cage bathroom while we're on the subject. David Cage bathrooms are like bigger than my first apartment. This is still a pretty big bathroom. Like my bathroom would probably fit like from this wall to the, or from this part of the shower to the wall, but it's more realistic. I like it. Admire a good bathroom.
There was a message waiting for me on the machine.
We won't get that yet. We're gonna look in here first. Okay. Should I scan that QR code? No, I'm not gonna bother. I'm sure it's something, but... Oh, we got the Max Payne guns, I'm guessing. That's pretty sick. What else we got here? Let's listen to this.
You have one new message. Ow!
God damn it. He'll always find me.
You should have your show on your table.
Alan Wakey.
She called me earlier and really chewed me out. Yeah, we went a little overboard last night. But parties are a part of this business.
Not going in there.
Look, I'm saying this as your friend. She's not doing your career any favors by trying to run your life like that. Okay? I'll talk to you later.
Man, I've never been hungover to the point of needing sunglasses. It's probably good that she steps up for him. Barry... Every time I start to think Barry's cool, he just slides in there and says something shitty. Alright, let's see. Ooh. This is a lot nicer than most of the shows we've seen so far.
We have a great show tonight. I've been talking with the best-selling author Alan Wake about his new book.
Cool.
Stop. Good read. Go buy it. No, it is a good read. Look, I'm gonna be honest.
This
is that wise?
looks like it could be a real talk show.
Anyway, I got people who give me the lowdown on books. I'm a busy guy, but this one I actually read from cover to cover. I mean, I'm a big fan. Wow, thanks. Now, this might be a spoiler for those who haven't read the book yet.
From what we've seen of Alan so far, it's really weird to see him in a setting like that.
But this last book is all about the death of the main character, the hard-boiled New York detective, Alex
Max Payne.
Now, there's been a lot of outrage about this. Why the hell did you kill Casey? thinking, man? Good riddance. No, seriously though. 7 years and 6 books is a long time. He was a gloomy guy to spend all your working hours with, and it was a good run. But it's time to explore new things.
It's time for a new video game franchise.
You selfish bastard.
One that's not owned by Rockstar.
You've certainly given us a lot of entertainment over the years. Now that you mention it, Casey was a gloomy guy. Never had much luck with his love life with the lady. Was that autobiographical in any way?
Is the talk show host the guy that voices Alan Wake? Because he sounds like him. Maybe I'm way off base.
No, nothing autobiographical about that.
Or is he the guy that plays Alan Wake? I don't know.
Well, congratulations. That's great to hear. So, how's the publicity tour been treating you? Good? Great.
Never mind. He might be Alan Wake's voice actor, the guy playing him live action. It's a good match. How long does this go for?
You got into a fight with some paparazzi. Oh, man. Well, that guy was really in my face. I lost my temper. I know that wasn't cool. You are famous for that temper. Well, I did also write...
There's something, like, off-putting about this. You know, like, the MGS4 live-action scenes that they play where you're flipping through channels and they just seem so weird and off? Kind of puts you off kilter? That's what this feels like. Sam Lake.
Sam Lake. What's more to the...
Oh, that is Sam Lake. Good for you.
Our musical guests, poets of the fall. Thank you.
Uh-oh, the licensed music's coming. Get out of here.
Myself I could live with that.
Oh, we got extra dialogue.
I didn't say anything stupid if that's what you want.
Oh, were we supposed to do that?
Hey, Grumpy. You want an aspirin or something?
Are you going to start with me about drinking now?
You know what? Go back to sleep, Alan.
Dude, Alan, you got a problem. You should probably listen to her.
What? Now you can't even talk to me?
Well, this morning I was angry because you said you'd be home at midnight and you showed up at 7 a.m. and passed out in mid-sentence. Now I'm over it. Are you angry?
It kind of feels like she's in the right.
It's gotten out of hand.
Oh, honey. It's almost over, right? We can get back to normal and you can start writing again.
I'm sorry, honey.
Alan, you're not thinking straight. Just take a shower and go back to bed, huh?
I just want you to cut down on your drinking and do your job. You bitch!
This is over. Let's go away together. A vacation. Just you and me. Some peace and quiet.
And then they lived happily ever after.
Somehow, the clicker was the key to the cabin. I had to return to Cauldron Lake to save Alice.
It's the MacGuffin. I guess the manuscripts are the MacGuffin.
I'm going back to the lake to finish this. I'm going to write an ending to the story in the manuscript on my own terms. To make it all right. Why can't you just
Yeah, man, get off your ass and just finish it. Dio? Why are you doing this when the stream starts all the time? I love you.
Zane tried to cut some corners, and it didn't end well.
Okay, ready when you are.
I'm sorry, Sarah, but I need to do this alone. Barry, take her gun.
Okay, she probably would have just let you go. I mean, she's had you let you have a lot of freedom so far. Oh, Barry, I like you again. Gio hates Alan Wake. He fucking does. I didn't even know anyone was here. Hi. I was just talking to myself. All right. He actually waited for daytime for once. He's not stupid.
I didn't stop to question it. I had to take advantage of the sunlight to get to the lake. On Zane's page, I'd stood on the rim of Cauldron Lake, about to use the clicker. That's where I was headed.
Okay, can we drive all the way, or do you want us to go through another dark forest to get there? That seems to be your preference. Yeah, so the, just while I'm thinking about it, first I'm going to wait for him to finish talking. So I was just talking about that. I was just talking about how in British Columbia we say clicker for like the TV remote, so this sounds really dumb to me.
Imagination to make up something like this. Having been in the cabin all this time, trapped in a story inside my head, gone mad from grief over Alice's
Oh my god,
death,
do I actually get a
caught
car
me
this
playing.
time?
There would be no
Oh,
way to know.
fuck yeah.
I told myself it didn't really matter.
Car,
Of course
daylight,
I said.
useless collectible. We got this. So what was I saying? Yeah, the pork strike is now over. I've been trying to abstain from pork, and I literally... Wait, what the fuck does clicker mean here? So it's like a remote control that, like, opens a cabin and turns on a bunch of lights, from what I understand. It's real weird. His mommy gave it to him. What was I saying? Pork Strike 2023 has now ended. I was on my way here, actually, and there were a bunch of people standing at the side of the road, and we thought they were striking because they were alongside the Maple Leaf plant. But then they just started throwing bacon into people's cars, and a guy threw like 4 packs of bacon onto my penis. So, we're back on pork, it seems. That is a real thing. What the fuck? Why can't there be one tunnel that's not closed? Okay. What's going on here? What?
Touch me. There was a link between us. Always would be. I could feel its presence
Alright, let's
again,
go.
getting closer.
Oh god, I can't win. Alan, don't write that it's nighttime, you idiot!
I will kill your wife.
And I dropped all my guns again, didn't I? No you don't. Oh, I still got my heavy-duty flashlight. Maybe I do have my guns, you're fucked! Get out of my country! I will imprint my beliefs upon you. That's how we do it now. Oh, there's a light. It's just that easy, folks. Batty scrapped! What are you doing? Get out of here. Alright, let's see what's going on here.
Jesus was no longer trying to capture the writer so he could create the ending it wanted. The writer knew too much. He was too strong. And he carried a weapon left behind by Thomas Zane, something that could hurt it. Now, the darkness was doing everything in its power to simply stop the writer from ever reaching Cauldron Lake and the dark place it came from.
Why don't we just not use the clicker and just do what Barry did and tie a bunch of fucking Christmas lights to ourselves? That... Oh, fuck you, Alan. You're writing the worst book ever. Stop trying to kill yourself. Let's go. I think we are in the end game right now. I heard this game ends with a pretty big driving sequence. So, yeah, we'll see where we go with this. Wonder how we're gonna lose this vehicle. Fuck you. Okay, we're good. How do I focus the headlights again? Oh, not that button. Definitely not that button. You can focus them, I remember that. Not that button. Hold up, boys. Oh, whatever. We'll be fine. We know what we're doing. Oh. We found it. Oh, shit. Oh, sanctuary. Let's go up here. This place looks inviting. Alan needed a race to the cabin as soon as possible, but then saw a really nice hotel and wanted to see what it looked like. Alright, what's going on? Got any guns for me?
Based on the signature in the motel register, Agent Nightingale had stayed here, in room number 2.
And Nightingale's the best fucking character. Alright, general information. Refundable $100 security deposit is required on all reservations. No personal checks accepted. We take all major credit cards and bank cards. Checkout time is 10 a.m. No loud music. No pets. 1 vehicle per limit. Facilities are for registered guests only. No visitors are allowed on the premises after 9 p.m. No exceptions. We hope you enjoy your stay at the Majestic. If you're a senior or a vet, ask about our discounts. Okay, that's pretty standard stuff. Ooh. Coffee! Fuck yeah. I hope that keeps us awake. Oh yeah, I knew there'd be a fucking shotgun in here. Alright. Okay, that's out there. What's in this door? There is no door. Okay, let's go. I can just check out people's what? Okay, not what I
This has
expected to
obviously been
find.
the room where Agent Nightingale had stayed when he hadn't been busy harassing me.
Yeah, Nightingale's so cool. Alright. Got the flashbangs, the best weapon in the game. Alright, let's go back in here.
Could have fooled me, pal.
Fuck yeah. Come on, open the door. We'll do this. Oh, can he not open the door? Where is he? Where is he? Oh, they're there. Alright, let's just take care of this problem right now. That was way less threatening than most of our past encounters. Any other rooms we can go in? Thomas O'Malley. O'Malley the alley cat. Okay, nothing in there. Got any secrets down here for me? I really wish Alan would just hurry up and write himself into the Fortnite universe. Okay, this car looks drivable. This, oh my god, and it also looks like the Sam Raimi car. Let's go. This was a good choice. Down there, probably, but we're gonna go this way toward the light. Oh my god! Melly the alley cat. Oh, okay. Well, that's the end of that chapter, I suppose. Let's just sneak on through here. Don't know if they're still chasing me or not. Alright. Well, that was... This is off-putting. This is definitely the easiest set of encounters we've gotten in the whole game, and I don't like it. Yeah, a lot of this game feels like Deadly Premonition. We should play that soon. Oh! Poltergeist barrel! Wait, I forgot I don't have to actually shoot those. Uh-oh, this could be bad. Oh, there we go. That wasn't so bad, I guess. There we go. I don't like it. Something's gonna happen.
What the hell?
I think something's happening. Oh god. Oh god, no. This ain't good. Zoinks! Alright. There we go. We're fine. We're fine. Oh god, they're all poltergeists. Don't throw fridges at me! Please no. There it is. It begins. Okay, so we're gonna actually do this more carefully this time. We're not gonna just run in the middle of... Oh, I forgot I had flares. That would have made that way easier. Okay, we got this. Do your thing. Where are they? Are they behind me? Get behind you. Yeah! You ain't shit. Okay, you're shit. You are shit. You are shit. Do it! Okay. Okay, I'm alive. Throw another one. Fuck! Okay, I'm alive. Don't you fridge me. Okay. No problem. Okay, actually, we're doing this. Oh god. Oh god, they're here. Okay. I thought I died for a second. Alan. Okay, that's a problem. That's a problem that we might have to deal with. Let's throw another one. That helps. And get fucked. Okay. Alright.
Nice to see you too.
Oh my god, it's the exact same car I just abandoned. Okay. We got this. I find the fridges are the hardest enemy in this game. Okay, get out of here. Oh god. Okay. We might not want to trash our car this time. We might want to actually get out of here. There we go. Oh god, evil car. I didn't know they could do that. Oh god, my battery's dying too. Shit! Get the fuck out of my way. Oh no. Please god no. Please god no. Oh wait, we can get out. See you later, fucker. Okay. You know what? This ain't so bad. This really ain't so bad. You know what? Maybe I'll take that car, because it's less damaged. Why are they all the same car? Alright. Nightmare. This is like the end of Halo. Oh god. So again, Alan, why didn't we take the police officer with us? She would probably be very useful here. Even Barry seems like he'd be useful. Alright, let's go. Okay. God damn it. Okay, fine. We won't drive. Unless... No. Ooh! I hate these fucking slime monsters. They remind me of that really hot slime monster from Fern Gully. Choke me, slime daddy. Okay, let's go. Let's just deal with this. There we go. I feel like I should have saved that. Yeah, that was dumb. Let's go. Oh god, he's beside me. I'm beside myself. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna pick some of that up. There we go. Oh shit. Okay, fine. I will fuck you up. Oh god, please shoot the barrel. I didn't get the barrel. I thought I did. It looked like it was so clean. Okay. This time. Trial and error. We got this. More flares. I think I don't want to use the shotgun for this sequence. I think I do want the pistol, because I think I can hit the barrels better. Far away. Fuck off. Oh god. Yeah, let's talk about this. This ain't going so well. Wait, we got these. Excellent. That should keep me alive a little longer. A little longer. Alright. So, what have we learned? We have learned not to run ahead of everybody. Let's just kill them all. I don't know if they spawn infinitely, but we'll find out. Come on. So I'm actually going to go back towards them. No, you don't. I'm going to deal with them right now. Stop, I threw the thing. Okay, they don't seem to spawn infinitely. That's how we're going to do it. We're just going to deal with them as they occur. Pick up all the ammo and stuff along the way. Now I don't have to worry about getting sandwiched either. Okay, now you're going to come towards me. And I'm going to shoot this barrel. And you're going to fuck off. There we go. There we go. That ain't so bad. Got the barrel advantage. And I've also still got... Oh, what? You're behind me? I thought you weren't behind me. I thought that's why we did all this. I'm saving my shotgun. Okay, let's load. Oh, God. Do they spawn behind me still? Oh, God. I accidentally wasted one. That's okay. There we go. Why do I keep hitting R1 to dodge? That's my flares. I don't want to waste those. All right. Oh, let's do that. There we go. That helps. They might spawn forever. Oh, maybe not. Okay, let's go. Problem is solved. I think. The scary music is still playing, so maybe not. Alright. Fine. We will deal with you again. Where are they? They're there. Oh. There we go. That's a lot easier when you actually deal with them.
The bottom of Cauldron Lake was a graveyard of things the lake had claimed in one way or another over the decades. The dark presence brought them up in its wake, scattering the rotten waterlogged hull of an old boat here, the remains of a long-ago crashed airplane there, trees shattered under the impacts. The earth groaned. It didn't even notice.
Cool. Sounds like a nice place. Let's go there. Oh, fuck yeah, red box. And light. And another amazing driving sequence. West Virginia, Mountain Mama. Oh, new billboard season. Cauldron Lake Campgrounds. I want one of those. Alright. I thought that was the end of the road, and I was like, did they literally just give me a car to let me drive 5 feet? Oh, basically. That's awesome. Oh, I could probably off-road, actually. I'm assuming I can, but let me get this first.
In the end, Barry wasn't going to shoot Sarah. They both knew that. Once she had no chance of catching up to Wake, Barry gave up the gun and sat down on the floor, shielding his face from the merciless glare of the well-lit room. I don't think I'm ever going to see him again, he said in a weak voice. Sarah didn't have it in her to be mad at him. Besides, he was probably right.
Nobody get mad at Barry. He should be free of consequences for all of his actions. Okay, so we're not going that way. We're going to go this way, and it looks like I can drive off-road, I think. There's a lot of trees. There are a lot of trees. Should we Death Stranding this? Let's see what we can do. Oh, I see. Okay. Well, I guess that answers that question. How do we get in there? God damn it. God. Alright. I feel as if we're supposed to go this way first. Okay. Where the fuck? Okay. No problem. Did I miss something? I feel like I missed something obvious. Like a turn off in the road or something. Yeah, maybe I should just get in my car and go back the other way. Nice of them not to put any enemies here, at least. I just saw before signing on here that they put out a Alan Wake 2 music video from the Gods of Thunder band or whatever they're called. Did my car despawn? Wait, no, I brought it up on the hill. I brought it up in the hill. Okay. Okay, we're good. It's a good game. Alright, so we're not going that way. It's been a while since we got all turned around, though. So that's good. Oh, the roadblock. It was supposed to deter me. The only thing back there was that manuscript page. Got it. Maybe don't make it a roadblock I can drive through. Alright, let's go. These vehicles control like MGS5 vehicles. That's not a good thing. Alright, what's going on in here? $50% off? Alright, well, we can't afford not to go. What's that? Aha! Trying to spook me! I didn't actually mean to use that, but it actually works out in our favor, so let's do it. Now get the barrel, Alan. Get the barrel, please. There we go. Did that not kill him? Jesus. Alright. Oh, you asshole. There we go. That it? Just two guys? Okay. Stop. Oh, this guy's just walking casually. He's probably fine. Just to be safe, though. That guy probably wasn't even, like, a taken. I'm not wasting my flare. I will conserve that ammo until Alan loses it between chapters. Ooh. Got the map. Okay. That seems like it was worth it. Is there more? Oh, yes, there is. Don't want to miss any of these. Get the fuck away from me! Yeah, oh, I almost. God damn it. I hate that he equips the flare whenever you pick it up. I want to save my flares for nothing. Rather never use them than consume one shot of ammo. Alright, is that it? How many flares do we have? Just one more, eh? Okay. And then 5 road flares, so we'll be fine with that. Ooh, that's a nice truck. We'll take this one instead. Bad day, bad day, bad day. This looks like, yeah, this looks like it was designed with purpose. This looks like a video game designer designed this junkyard. Huh. What now? There's a light source over this way. Is this where I'm going? Is that where I came from? What's blinking over here? A button! Yes, okay.
I had to get the container out of my way. There had to be a way to power up the container lift.
Okay. Is it the button that we were standing in front of when we said that? No. Okay. Well, let's look around then. Not that way. Huh. It looks like it has power. Like, it has a light. just on the other side? Oh. Don't mind if I do.
Zane cut its heart out, but it didn't die. The thing that wore Barbara's face kept crooning sweet nothings sugar-laced with poison. He put on the suit, untied the monster from the chair. The thing in his arms thrashed weakly, but he held fast. He stepped outside, off the pier, and into the dark water, a sinking pinprick of light descending toward a bottom that never came.
Alright, so something fucked up is going to happen, because I barely understood what any of that could have meant. Alright. This is a really good, convenient place for all these junkyard workers to go and reach the switch. It's probably a good thing. Oh my god, we haven't had to do this in hours. That's the most they've ever had us do. Okay. Oh, flare gun. Give me the flare gun, please. So I can put it away forever. Why did it give us so many flares? That's... Oh, it only gave us 2? I thought it gave us a bunch. Oh, they were the road flares. That's why. That makes more sense. Get in the truck. Get in the truck. Get in the truck. Uh-uh. I ain't dealing with you. Get in! Uh-oh. Alright. Let's just use our headlights. Take down as much of it as we can. We're good. We're fine. Okay, so we have to use up the battery. Okay, so that's what the flare's for. We'll use the flare, I guess. That's fine. Alright, there we go. Now go hit the button. That really wasn't bad at all. That flare takes care of every problem. Can I get in this truck? I don't think I can. Alright. We are now without a truck. But it's okay. We're fine. That's where we just were, so let's go this way. I do not trust this music right now at all. Okay. I thought that was being lowered onto my head. Okay. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Are we almost at the cabin? I do appreciate that Alan made an attempt to actually leave during daylight and conserve his time wisely. He hasn't made that much of a concerted effort to do that lately. Okay. Okay, I'll take it. That definitely doesn't mean something's about to attack me. Wait, is this where I'm supposed to be?
When I told Barry my plan back in the well-lit room, I'd acted as if I knew what I was doing. I didn't. I was operating on the shifting logic of a dream. I had to fight my way to the lake through the horrors of the night.
Relatable.
I had to flick an old battered light switch imbued with childhood magic. I had to write a happy ending to a horror story. I had to save my wife from the dark prison she was being held in.
Yeah, man, we've all been there. How do I get out of this room? Speaking of dark prisons. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's like an RE4 prompt. Okay. Gotta push that wooden cart out of the way. What happens if I keep pushing? Okay. I was hoping that would, like, break a wall down and give me an extra weapon or something. Alright. Let's figure this out. Can I just have my wife and go home, please? Ooh. Switch to pump action shotgun. Yeah. Be nice to have more than 2 shots in that thing, so that's pretty good. Let's hit this. It's just a flashlight, isn't it? Yeah, so something's about to attack me. Otherwise, why would that be there? Alright, well, whatever. Let's press on.
I will never give her to you.
There it is, folks. Run back, run back. Run back to the light, Marion. Maybe running back was a bad choice. Maybe running forward is the right choice. Yeah. There he is. Okay, I'm just gonna try to get to this spotlight if you don't mind, guys. That's probably not good. Whoa, where'd you come from? Dude! Chill! I might have to use my other flare, I can't believe it. Okay. Okay, we're not using it. We're not using it. Not for anyone, not even the Chainsaw Man. Okay, I'm using it. I don't care. Holy crap. Get out of here, Alan. I don't know if we're meant to fight this. I don't think we are. Maybe we are. Oh god, there's another guy. Yeah, I think we're just supposed to use that searchlight thing. Oh god, I hit the wrong button.